A conflict of interest is any situation where your private interests interfere or appear to interfere with company interests. Conflicts of interest most often occur when you or a family member may benefit personally as a result of your position within the company. Here are some examples of conflicts of interest. You or a close family member are working for a competitor or supplier, or potential ones, regardless of the nature of the employment. Hiring or supervising family members or closely related individuals. Serving as a board member for an outside commercial company or organization. Owning or having a substantial interest in a competitor, supplier, or contractor. Having a personal interest, financial interest, or potential gain in any company transaction. Placing company business with a firm owned or controlled by a company employee or his or her family. Or accepting gifts, discounts, favors, or services from a customer or potential customer, competitor, or supplier, unless equally available to all employees.
Determining whether a conflict of interest exists is not always easy to do. Employees with a conflict of interest question should seek advice from management. Before engaging in any activity, transaction, or relationship that might give rise to a conflict of interest, employees must seek review from their managers or the HR department. Company policy requires that you disclose any time you become aware of a potential conflict of interest. Even if you think there's no conflict of interest, if it has the potential to become one or has the appearance of a conflict of interest, you are required to report it. If you choose not to disclose a potential conflict of interest that later turns out to be okay, you are still in violation of our code for keeping it quiet. The best way to protect yourself against accusations of potential conflicts of interest is to disclose areas of concern yourself before someone else brings it up.